I'm not going to film the actual welding, but so we're doing a TIG torch here, getting all set up right now. So we're going to go ahead and put a TIG bead right across this race right here, and then the race should shrink and pull right out. We're going to do it both top and bottom under here. Do them both, get them all out, and we'll come back and knock in some new ones. So we'll come back and show that what it looks like after we weld it. Alright, we're done welding. Grab me a couple of screwdrivers for medium-sized ones. Get underneath both sides and just kind of pull up on it. So it pops up. You weld it all the way around the whole thing, so all the way around.
Time to cool down.
It's cool. Put yours on the other side. Ready? There you go.
There's one.
One's out. Check out his fancy helmet. Makes him weld better.
Yeah.
Got the wheel on it. My crappy ones. Mine's out there, the battery's dead again. Solar charge in it. I got that fancy single color helmet. You pay extra for those these days. The new ones have all that crap all over them.
Alright.
Oh, that's hot.
That works nicely.
Yeah, usually does. Okay, we'll do the bottom one.
Let's go up with it, I guess.
Sit on the thing and hit it. Make that work. Probably don't need to go all the way around, just a couple spots is probably enough. Boom, boom, boom. Here, hold on. Hold on. It needs more.
Yeah.
That's all it would take. It's gravity. Hold on. Still not pulling out.
We'll hold that up.
Hold on, I'm gonna hang. Getting good, good.
Awkward.
Awkward. Can't believe it'd be awkward. Cool. Tip in the dip.
Yeah.
Dip in the tip. Grease coming down too, probably. All right. Oh.
Slow down. Gotta cool down.
Drop the plate off the top.
Hopefully I got enough heat up on that.
Yep. Losing parts. It was right there. Appears to be welded. It ain't that hot.
Every time I shrink up.
You know, the frame is hot too, though, so it's already shrunk up. Same temperature. You just put water on it, it'd be cooler than the other part. It's moving.
There it is.
Yep. She's out. Done deal.
Alright, I'll put this TIG stuff away.
So where's the races at right now? Because it's nice and warm, so they should drop right in.
I was going to ask you earlier if we should throw these in the
Nah,
freezer.
I don't think so. The fork's nice and hot. Find a socket first. Where's your hammer tools at? Just get one of those just in case we need it, and they should just drop in.
My hammer tools?
Yeah,
What do you
your
want?
all your little sleeve things. They were over in a big pile over there. Used to be. That fancy kit, nobody knew where it was. How to get it. Everyone know who made that thing, so you go buy it. It's a nice kit. That big maybe? No, looks bigger now. That big maybe. It's gotta be smaller than the race. Next one.
Yeah, that's.
It's gotta be smaller than the race.
It might be right there.
Put on top. Goes on top. I'm beating on the top. That one, not this one. Where's your little hammer punch thing? Okay. And a little bit of a tap tap. We need it. You gotta screw it together. Jeez. Mine has a ball on it. Oh, where's the big one at? Here, hold on. Okay. No, put your other thing on there. You want to be on your tool. No. Oh, that doesn't work that way? Mine's stacked better than that. This will go flush, and you got to put that in for the final. This way you know it goes in straight.
Yeah, look, it goes.
Put it on this side. Okay, you hear it all the way down? No, use that one. Okay, get on the race. Okay.
Sounds like she's there.
She's there. Give a couple more hits. I do to both sides just to make them double check, but she'll be good. Okay.
Let me hit those races.
You don't need that. It's in. Where's your other one at? Does this one fit in there? It might, it's undercut, it might fit. Yeah, that would have fit. Okay. One down. Do the other one. So put this on the tool and bang bang. Make sure it's not upside down. You're good. You gotta double check. It sucks when you put them in upside down.
Yeah. That would suck really bad.
It does. You're good. More on the back. Okay, put it in. All right, that was done. Sound tells you it's there. Key on that is to hold it on the race itself.
Can you see it? Because I can't see anything.
I'm feeling it. You're good. Get that all the way.
Going in straight.
Let's look at the back.
Looks like the
No,
backside
back's
needs to
not
go
in.
in.
Okay, hit it. You're clocking it with this. Hold on. Get over there with you. Okay, now go for it. There you go.
Sounds like we're home.
Yeah. When you hit on it, you pull it with your hand this way and you cock it. That's what you're doing. You're pulling it toward you because it's awkward upside down. But I think it's in. They give it a couple taps just to make sure.
Glasses wouldn't hurt anything here.
You're in
Sounds
there.
like it's home.
Yeah, it's in there hard. It should be a nice even groove right here all the way around too if you look at it. You know, on your finger around it, you can feel it. You can feel stuff a lot quicker than you can see it.
Can't see shit without my glasses on too. I took them off.
Yeah, but your finger feels it. It's good. She's in there.
That was pretty painless.
You didn't hit your finger yet. That's a good sign.
My first time using the TIG to do this.
You didn't hit your
Worked out
finger.
great.
When you don't hit your finger, it works a lot better. And we also blew out the Zerk gun to make sure it was clear because we wasn't sure before. And we cleaned everything out. Now some more grease came out. See?
Yep. I sprayed it again after you were in there.
Yeah. Did you do it since you welded on it or not?
No.
Just grab your hand, we'll shove it through.
Top side may need.
Now you're solid. Handle, push it through. Okay, whatever, that'll work. In case there's any splatter in there. That's good. Got some dirt came out. Yeah, this bike's an 03 bike, it's not a 4. It's made in 1203. It's an 03 bike. It's a Christmas bike.
They lied to me.
It's a Christmas bike. Did you get this for Christmas?
Some years later, I guess.
Some years later, got it used. Okay, we'll be back. Gotta clean all this stuff up now.
We're back.
All right, now we're recording now. We're back. We had to get a bearing taken off. And they nicked it right there. Look at that. They did the same thing I was going to do, but I didn't want to do it. But they did it. Didn't do too much damage. Pretty good job.
Yeah,
Chisels, cutters, grinders,
all the above.
everything it takes to get apart.
It's just recessed down in here, so you really can't get a puller on this.
It's hard to get
I'm
in
sure
there.
they make some sort of specialty tool.
Oh yeah, they do.
It's probably a lot of money.
All right, you got to stuff that thing in there. We need some grease.
No, we're not. We're gonna
Oh, you
move
gotta
over
work.
and we're gonna put a.
Yeah, but you can put the trees in there if you want. But you know, work on the motor mount. We're gonna do the motor mount, wherever that ran out to. I think it's in that big box over there. It's over there in that white box over there.
Seems like the thing to do right now, right?
For you, I'm gonna work on something else. I got that thing right there I'm gonna work on. All right, we'll be back. We'll figure out what we're gonna do here.